Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious protein powder pancakes. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, about 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of flour. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder to help them rise, 1 egg for binding, and a little sweetener to taste. These simple components are the foundation for a fantastic breakfast. Now let's get that batter just right. First, in a medium bowl, combine all your dry ingredients, making sure they are well mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients. Then, gently pour the wet into the dry, mixing until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so stop as soon as the flour streaks disappear. Let the batter rest for about 5 minutes. This helps activate the baking powder for extra fluffiness. Time to cook these beauties. Heat a non-stick griddle or pan over medium-low heat. A little oil or butter will prevent sticking and add flavor. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on top and the edges look set. Flip carefully and cook until golden brown and cooked through. Patience is key for perfect pancakes. And there you have it, delicious, high-protein pancakes ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings, whether it's fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of Greek yogurt. Feel free to customize by adding ingredients like blueberries or chocolate chips directly into the batter before cooking. You can also experiment with different protein powder flavors. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 3 days, making for a quick breakfast later.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.